Are you unsure which hair type to buy and are debating between Vietnamese and Cambodian hair? You are unable to identify your ideal hair type. In this video, I will give you 3 main differences between Cambodian hair and Vietnamese hair that you should know before making a decision. We will compare the qualities of Cambodian hair versus Vietnamese hair. Vietnamese and Cambodian hair varies in terms of hair qualities as a result of their definite hair texture. Also, Vietnamese hair is superior to Cambodian hair in terms of qualities. Vietnamese hair shines more than Cambodian hair because women in Cambodia rarely take care of their hair. When held in hand, Vietnamese hair feels silky and shiny. Vietnamese hair is the appropriate hairstyle to proceed with the greatest results. The third criteria you need to compare is the price of Cambodian hair versus Vietnamese hair. Given that Cambodian hair has a tiny population and a limited quantities of hair, the cost of Cambodian hair is high. Moreover, the country lacks a dedicated hair industry. Production prices are expensive in Cambodia since there are just a few tiny hair companies with a limited number of contemporary machinery. When comparing the cost of Cambodian hair to Vietnamese hair, Cambodian hair is also somewhat less expensive than Vietnamese hair since the qualities of Cambodian hair is lower than that of Vietnamese hair. The price of Vietnamese hair is greater than Cambodian hair because of its higher qualities than Cambodian hair, which we own for being silky, strong, elastic, and simple to style. So I have compared Cambodian hair versus Vietnamese hair depending on 3 main factors. I hope that now you can deeply understand about these 2 hair types. If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me to this WhatsApp number. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.